Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Eric in Alabama on his Connex 4400 turbo. Take a look at this beautiful rig. I'm assuming Gamma Ray Graphics probably did this faceplate. They do a real good job on these skins. Looks good. So we got the repair taken care of. Did the tuning alignment. Added your on-off switch back here in the back, Eric, for your amp so you can flip it off. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. About 5 watts all the way down. 20 all the way up. Average power swing. Hello. About 42 bird average. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello. 125 peak. Alright, Eric, this thing's ready to come back to Roll Tide, Roll Country. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.